Now, the other big story also came from the Supreme Court, which has ordered a review of the regulatory mechanism governing the Indian capital market. The apex court, in its verdict on the Adani-Hindenburg case, has now appointed a 6-member committee headed by a retired High Court Chief Justice, along with the likes of Nandan Nilekani, to ensure that Sebi conducts a probe into whether the Adani Group or other companies contravene capital market regulations and give its verdict inside 2 months in a sealed envelope. Take a look.
For a man who has lost $80 billion this year, the worst is not yet over for Gautam Adani. The billionaire entrepreneur now has not one but 2 high-level probes into his business affairs. And both the probes are monitored by none other than the Supreme Court. The apex court passed its judgment after hearing several petitions concerning the loss of investor wealth due to the massive plunge in Adani Group stocks. Total wealth erosion due to sell-off triggered by Hindenburg research report has topped 12 lakh crore rupees last week. In a crucial order, the Supreme Court set up a 6-member committee headed by retired High Court Chief Justice. The committee comprises known industry figures like banker K.V. Kamath and technocrat Nandan Nilekani. The committee has been tasked with providing an overall assessment of the situation, including causes and factors which led to volatility in the security market. The panel will also suggest measures to strengthen investor awareness. It will investigate if there has been regulatory failure in dealing with the alleged contravention of laws in relation to Adani Group and other companies. The panel will also suggest measures to strengthen the statutory and regulatory framework. Meanwhile, capital markets regulator Sebi will continue its existing probe into the Adani-Hindenburg case. It has, however, been asked to investigate whether there has been a violation of the minimum shareholding laws. Sebi has also been asked by the Supreme Court to look into whether there has been a failure to disclose transactions with related parties in the Adani case. The regulator will look into whether there was any manipulation of stock prices in contravention of existing laws as well. The court has made it clear that its directions will not limit the contours of the ongoing Sebi investigation. Both the committee and Sebi have been asked to submit their report into Adani's affairs to the Supreme Court in 2 months. Gautam Adani welcomed the probe, tweeting that the order will bring finality in a time-bound manner, adding that the truth will prevail. The markets also welcomed the Supreme Court verdict, sending all 10 Adani Group shares into the green. The flagship Adani Enterprises closed up 2.8%. 5 of the 10 stocks hit the upper circuit. The surge in the group stocks added 30,000 crore rupees to the group market cap.
The next 2 months will be crucial as these reports will be filed before the court. After 2 months, it will be a big question for the Indian markets and the Indian investors as to what really went wrong and what will be done to tighten the system in the country. In New Delhi, with cameraman Ajay Thakur, this is Anisha Mathur for Business Today.